The first stage is the intake. The intake valve opens and the piston starts to move down, causing a pressure drop in the cylinder. This forces the air-fuel mixture to get pulled into the cylinder. The intake valve closes. The second stage then starts, the compression. The piston moves up and compresses the air-fuel mixture. In the case of spark ignition or petrol engines such as this one, a spark plug then ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture. This is the start of the third stage, the expansion, which is also the power stroke. The expanding gases force the piston down, which in turn rotates the crankshaft. The fourth stage is the exhaust. The exhaust valve opens and the piston starts to move up again, pushing the exhaust gases out. Top dead center. This is the highest position a piston reaches inside the cylinder. Similarly, bottom dead center is the lowest position. The height difference between the top dead center and the bottom dead center is called the stroke. The diameter of the piston is known as the bore. The clearance volume is the minimum volume formed inside the cylinder when the piston is at top dead center. The displacement volume is the volume displaced by the cylinder as it moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. The ratio of the maximum volume formed in the cylinder, that is, the displacement volume plus the clearance volume, to the minimum volume formed in the cylinder is known as compression ratio.